Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to change password on ChatGPT. If you want to keep your ChatGPT account secure, it's a good idea to update your password regularly, especially if you think someone else may have access to your account. You can change your password directly from your account settings or reset it if you've forgotten it. So, on any browser, open ChatGPT and sign into your account. Once signed in, click your profile picture or name in the bottom left corner. Then from the options, select settings. Now from here, go to security and login. And at the top, select password. So enter a new password below to change your password. So create a new strong password and confirm it. So once you're done, click continue and save the changes. Now you can use at least 12 characters. So make sure you include uppercase and lowercase letters. You can add numbers and special symbols and avoid using personal information such as your name or birthday, and don't reuse passwords from other websites. Now, if you signed up using Google, Apple, or Microsoft, your password is managed by that provider. To change your password, you'll need to update it through your Google, Apple, or Microsoft account settings instead of ChatGPT. So, after changing your password, consider signing out of devices you no longer use to help keep your account secure. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.